Alright, first what you want to do is remove this piece right here. And then remove this piece, this plastic cover right here. And then open the cap. And this the drain bolt for that converted coolant. You're gonna use a 10mm hex and loosen that bolt. Now just let it drain completely. Now you can see that this one drained out, pretty much drained out. If there's a little bit left in there, you'll be alright. You can just mix them up with the new antifreeze. And this is what I use: Asian Vehicles antifreeze coolant, OET. I bought these off Amazon. So this one is equivalent to the one at the dealership. It's a red/pink, so it's good. And as you can see, this right here, this was an empty container. I used that to pre-dilute it from this one, because this one is concentrated. You don't want to use concentrated in your converter. So I pre-diluted with distilled water. It's already in there. You can see reddish pink. If you want to find out on how to pre-dilute it, just check on one of my videos on how to pre-dilute antifreeze to 50/50. Clean it up a little bit. Now that's the washer. You can replace it or you can reuse it. I usually reuse the original washer. Make sure it's tight. You can torque it down to 35 foot-pound of torque, but if you just hand tighten them, you'll be fine too, as long as it's not leaking. Now you fill it up all the way to the max line. And then put the cap back on. And then you go in the car and start the ignition so you can activate the pump. Repeat the process a couple times until it's finally filled up. After the system filled up, you go ahead and top off to the max line. Now the last step is put the two covers back on and then you're done. So I hope this video would help you guys out there, so you can save money instead of taking your car to the dealership and let them charge you an arm and a leg for just to do this simple job. Thank you for watching. Until next time.